Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see how many account log in Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the Instagram account dashboard. Now I am showing easy method step by step, so follow my whole process carefully. Look at the left corner, click on more and then go to settings. Tap on here, password and security. Select this option, tap on, and now shown here your all about information. So that's how you can easily see how many account log in Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial revert channel for more video.